Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished a JBI suspension revalve and custom build for a 2023 Honda CRF 250R. These are the Showa 49mm twin chamber spring forks, and this is the third generation of these forks. These forks were revalved to the JBI Suspension Pro Revalve setting. What this is our revalve with additional hardware parts internally that further improve the function of the fork. Details of exactly what these parts are can be found at ridejbi.com. This customer borrowed our JBI suspension red bottom forks that we had built for testing and tuning on our Honda settings. And anyways, we let them borrow that suspension for a while, for about a week. They rode it, they loved it, and then they said, please build us that exact same setting and everything. So they wanted the same exact internal setup that we had on those. They wanted the red lugs done like we have, and the gold titanium bolts. So these forks are from a Works Edition Honda CRF250R. So they are Kashima coated on the uppers and DLC coated on the lowers from Honda. So these forks are brand new. We bought them from Honda, took them apart, did our JBI Suspension Pro Revalve setup internally, along with the JBI Pro Perch. The fork springs received our JBI Suspension REM finish polish. This makes the springs have a mirror finish, removes any rough edges, keeps the oil much cleaner. The springs are a little less noisy, rubbing on the inside of the forks. Really adds a nice touch to it. We have a matching shock for this as well, and we are waiting on some parts from Anodize to finish before we can finish building the shock. And then we did another set of forks identical to this in terms of the look, but we did them for Supercross riding. These right here have our JBI Suspension Motocross spec. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com. And if you'd like JBI to do suspension for you, please give us a call or send us an email.